Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 10 taskbar not working. First method is press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape keys. Select Windows Explorer, click Restart. Second method is type PowerShell in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Click Yes to continue. Copy command from description and paste it. Third method is type CMD in Windows search bar. Type DISM space / online space / cleanup - image space / restore health. Type SFC space / scanno. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.